Today we're going to be doing a vitamin C face serum, which is very popular these days. And I said face, but it can really be used all over your body. And I started experimenting with a very low percentage, 5%, because I don't usually use it on my skin. And so it's helpful to build up if you want to make your own, or even if you're trying it for the first time. And it does work for the body. I started putting it in my bath water in hopes that it penetrates into my skin. I have to find out if the temperature changes the chemistry, like if it's still active. And regardless, I would still like to continue experimenting, and I'll keep you guys posted on all of that. But vitamin C is good for if you have hyperpigmentation, if you have some sort of scarring or sunspots, which I'm starting to get or have started to get, and also like those like fine lines, and just giving your skin like a regenerative glow in a way. It's supposed to help with collagen production, which is what helps your skin look the way that it does. You know, whether you're aging, whether you're younger, it's a reflection of how that cell is being expressed. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah. So the ingredients that I'm using, I will post below the links that I used, and also a really helpful site on Reddit. It's a source where they give you a breakdown of the equivalent, so you can find out what percentage you're making and a lot more details, but I mainly use it for the percentages. So the main ingredients that I'm using are Aloe Vera Gel, Vegetable Glycerin, and I'm using filtered water. This glass bottle, which helps protect the serum from being overexposed to light. And even with an amber glass bottle or blue glass or even aluminum or steel, stainless steel, I would recommend storing it in a dark place still, because light gets into places that we don't even think about. And I'm using this ylang ylang essential oil, which I didn't use the first time I made it, but I know that it's supposed to be really good for nourishing the skin. And last but not least, we've got Vitamin-C powder, which is the main component that we're going to be using. And we'll see if I need this. It's a little funnel and a teaspoon, because that's really all I need to measure all the ingredients. This is pre-measured. It's 8 teaspoons, and depending on the percentage of vitamin C that you want, the potency, this is going to vary. But I'll post a link below so you know all the measurements and all the details. Let's see. So we're going to start off with dissolving. I have so we're going to start off with dissolving 1 teaspoon of this. And what I do is, because this came in a, doesn't reseal, I just use a plastic baggie. I fold it up and I store it in the refrigerator, so that it helps to preserve it. The vitamin C is also a natural antioxidant, and oxidizing. You know, when we get rust or when we get sunburns, anything like that that causes a measured teaspoon. It's like a white powder. It almost looks like sugar. I've not tasted it, and I wouldn't recommend it. So I'm going to dissolve this in the water. As you can see, it's settling on the bottom, but it does dissolve, and you definitely want to dissolve it first before you start adding the other ingredients. It's kind of like oil and water. They don't really mix well, so you want to make sure that you get this mixed up first so that it can actually do what it needs to do. So I'm going to be right back. Okay, so here we go. Dissolve it. Last time I think I dissolved it inside of this, but we're going to do it a little differently this time so you can actually see it. And it looks like a snow globe. I hope I can get a close-up of this because it looks really cool. Say this is a job well done. Next step, we're going to add the closes first. The 1 teaspoon of glycerin, and you can use this for skincare. It helps for moisturizing your skin and softening it as well. So I'm mainly using this on my face, but really wear it anywhere in the body, especially after baths or during a bath, because you're soaking yourself in it. It's really good, and I noticed that my skin is getting softer. So we're gonna go with a teaspoon of the glycerin. It's super simple, by the way, as you can see here. And also, the link that I include, or will include, it doesn't have the aloe gel, but I just went online and found most of these things, all of these things except for this, which I found elsewhere. But yeah, I'm going to do a teaspoon of this as well. And if you get burned or anything like that, you can use the aloe vera gel. It's very therapeutic. Or just as a, before you go to bed, or even when you start out your day, it's really nice to put on your skin. You'll notice that it changes your complexion. It also helps to soothe and heal. And last, but definitely not least, we have oil. And you can use something that's good for your skin. And what you have, like lavender is really nice, frankincense is also good. I'm sensitive to that, so I'm not using it, but this, it also smells really good. Yeah, it does. So I'm just using 5 drops. Go slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5. More than fits in here, so we'll see. And what you can do is you can reuse this actually, and there are varieties. You can use like a pump, one that just opens. I like the one with the dropper, and when you're done using it, you can pour in some alcohol and give it a shake and pour it out and let it dry, and that'll help make sure that any bacteria that formed is gone. So this looks not like something I would want to drink, but definitely something I would want to put on my skin, and I definitely need a funnel. This one, we're gonna make it work. Ooh. How cool. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it fit. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, it smells delicious. So I'm shaking it again. Yay! And this honestly has lasted me longer than a week or two, which is what they say, you know, is good for your skin. And I'm excited, or not good for your skin, but like how much this makes. And how long it stays active, like what the shelf life is. So I'm curious to see how this feels on my skin and what this will do for my skin, because I started at 5%, introduced myself to it. Next is 10%, which is what I just made. Then you can go to 15% and 20% and, you know, anything in between that works for you. So we'll see, and I think I will definitely be using this on my body, so we'll see. I hope you enjoyed, and if you like this, like it, give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe, because I definitely plan on doing more videos like this, whether it's beauty or food, wellness related. You never know what you're gonna get. But I hope that it's helpful, and I hope that you can see that these things are really easy to do on your own. And I know in my life, I got really disconnected to doing that, or to not doing. I got disconnected to doing the things that bring me joy. And I'm starting to do them again. And I feel like anybody could use that, especially if you're having a hard time in life or feeling overwhelmed, just like taking 5 minutes to do something nice for yourself or for someone else too. And so this is a double win-win, because it's nice for me and it's nice for you. So yeah, feel free to subscribe. Also comment, let me know if you try this and how it worked out for you, or if you have any questions and requests. So I hope to hear from you soon. I know you'll be seeing me soon. Until next time.